bulgur, peanut, and oatmeal, plantain, right? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. Today, everybody just love porridge, love me to cook porridge. And you know what I'm gonna try today? Bulgur porridge. And I'm gonna mix the bulgur with peanut. I can't get the, all I try, I can't get the red peanut, but this one will do. And I'm gonna top it up with some oatmeal and my plantain over here. My plantain over here, yes, with my plantain and what? My coconut milk. You can't leave out this when you're boiling porridge. This make the porridge turn up. All right, and also my ingredients over there. I have my vanilla, my almond, my rose water, and my mixed spice. This is a Jamaican mixed spice, cinnamon, and nutmeg here. And all over here is my sweetener. I have the hazelnut, I have the evaporated milk, and I have my sweetened milk. And come on, I have my pinch of salt. So join in with me. Start with my coconut because I really want my coconut juice to cook down with my bulgur first. Coconut juice first, then I put my bulgur, yes. And also my cinnamon leaf over there, okay. No, the knife that cutting me, I'm okay. My coconut milk here. If you don't have the coconut to blend, you can use the tin one, any one you flavor. Okay, that's my coconut juice. My water is boiling up. Look rich and pretty. I'm gonna add my bulgur to it, and then I'm gonna blend my plantain, my oatmeal, and my peanut. Then I had my cup of oatmeal, and then I leave some of the skin, and my plantain, my oatmeal and peanut here, and I had my plantain to it with the milk, with the remainder of my milk. Okay, with the remainder of my milk. Oh, wow. My peanut and my oatmeal and banana. What? Look, creamy and nice. Okay. Okay. Look at my bulgur on the fire. You see my bulgur? Oh, it come out nice? Oh, nice. All right, I'm gonna add my stuff to it. This is my peanut, my oatmeal. Okay. Oh, Lord. Guys, look at this. Look at it. My bulgur, my oatmeal, my peanut and plantain, right? In my coconut milk. Oh my God, it's rich and so nice. I'm gonna just let it cook down for like around 20 more minutes. Yes. And then I'm ready to go. Look here. Look. So nice. Guys, look at the porridge. Look. Oh my gosh. No more milk. The milk don't have onto it yet. And look how nice it look. Look. Very good. Very good. Alright, we give it 5 more minutes. And then we can lift our pot. Very good. Cinnamon powder. Teaspoon of mixed spice. And nutmeg. Okay. Some rose water. Teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay. And some almond. Okay. Good. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is very nice in porridge. I tell you guys. Yeah. Also my Gloria milk. I condensed milk and see how sweet it gets. Smells so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. Look. All right, let me give it a taste. Let's see how a pinch of salt. Okay, put a little salt. And I think I'm just gonna finish the milk. Okay? Rich and nice. Bulgur, peanut and oatmeal, plantain, right? Okay. Gosh. Good mouthful, right? Good. I'm telling you. Very nice. Wow. Guys, not because it's me cook it. Very nice. Try it. Oatmeal, bulgur, plantain, peanut. It is very nice. No sugar, because you have so much milk, no sugar added. It's very good. You can have it for breakfast. You can have it for lunch. You can have it for dinner. Anytime you can have it with. You can have it with crackers. You can have it with bulla, bun. Yes, bulla and porridge, nice. And bun and bread. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a message down below and tell me what you want next for me to prepare. Okay? Thank you guys. Thank you for journeying with me so far. Thank you very much. May the Lord bless and keep every one of you who subscribe and who are ready to. God bless you. Bye-bye and see you later. Come and enjoy. Come over and enjoy. My husband is still at work. I will make use of this.